Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
and thank you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone's doing well today. Yeah, there's a lot going on, but I pray that everyone is doing well. Sometimes we get a little down because we're all shut in, but I hope everyone is doing well. I had my hair retightened in March, and a couple of days ago, I received a text and an email letting me know that my retightening appointment was canceled. But of course, I was expecting that. I have been thinking about retightening my own hair. Something I'm not looking forward to. I've seen where several of you have done it and were successful, and your hair looks really good. And I commend you for that. And I commend you for it because that's not something I'm looking forward to. I'm going to post a few pictures as to what my hair is looking like right now. And if you notice, I have to do this in order for you to see the part. But my grid is still there. And I know it's there because I have a partner that doesn't mind helping me with my hair. But I'm going to post a few pictures as to what my hair looks like. And going to show you what it took for me to make sure that my grid is still there. You know, it's important that we separate our locks so that they don't marry. And so that's what I'm focusing on in this video. Today I'm going to ask you to pray for a classmate and friend of mine. She and her husband contracted the virus. I have since heard that they are improving, but they still need your continued prayers. And so that's what I'm asking you to do for me today. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. I love you guys so much. Love you. So I think what we're going to do is you're going to look, you can look either way you want to. Like this one. See that one? Seems like it's pretty clear, right? It's not hooked to anything at the root. Those parts. Alright, but I'm getting ready to show you something. Okay, those parts can go down. See? Or you can go across. It don't matter which way you go to see. And then just all you're trying to do is make sure they're not going together. You're separating them sort of like that. One seemed to have been together to me. We gotta change this. You're just sort of pulling them apart and making sure they're apart at the root too. Okay? We got it? Now I can sit in the big chair if you want me to.
No, I just need to see what you're trying to tell you.
Okay, you need more light?
So you want each row of hair be lining up?
Yes. Okay, I mean, see. Okay. You might want to start at the back. Just pull one at a time. All you're doing is trying to separate them, make sure they're separated at the root.
We're really not gaining any ground.
Pretty much how like when you were counting mine, but then now this time you're just making sure they're separated down there. What?
But with the rest straddling the road.
One hair, hopefully.
Did you know sleep helps support immune function?
But the hair, I mean, they separated, but
Okay, well, just pull them, just. This is the part that was just, to me, this was just too funny. This was my husband's tool of choice. This is what he used. Take it apart. Thank you, dear. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. I am doing well. Thank you for watching. I am a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been really wonderful to me.